Our company, Avid brand, which has been providing service in Turkey for many years under the roof of Blue Off Istanbul, is the owner of many brands such as food elevators, villa elevators, vehicle elevators. With these brands, we export these elevators to all over the world as a package under the roof of Blue of Istanbul. We have a wide range of exports, primarily to Germany, the Netherlands, France, Italy, Croatia, Balkan countries, Arab countries, African countries, and Turkey. We have a factory in Turkey that covers an area of 21,000 square meters. We manufacture in a closed area of 4,000 meters. We have 6 factories affiliated with us in Turkey. They are manufactured specifically with our brand. We have 3 factories in China. Again, we manufacture products specifically for our brand with our principles specific to our brands. Think about it. There is no in any place in the world. The bottom of the shaft is 6 centimeters. It has all the security systems. We have invented a system that we call home elevator, villa elevator, home elevator in a villa or apartment with a last floor of 2,600. This elevator brings it to the nearest floor even when the power is cut. It does not break down easily. We produce elevators that are very quiet, very comfortable, and very aesthetic. And we have thousands of customers to this day. They all speak highly of us, thank us, and I'm very proud of this. As a food elevator, we produce elevators that can carry loads between 100 kilos and 250 kilos. In terms of the sensitivity of our product, we stop the pen here very sensitively. It is completely stainless chrome steel. It is a safe elevator. We close its door. We send our elevator to the ground floor. Our elevator goes down as if it is not visible. When we come down, we open the door manually. The pen had also fallen. Pardon the fall of the hamish. We close our manual door there. We call back up. It is very quiet. It never vibrates. The pen is still there. This is a very important detail. In other words, this shows that the tea, water, any special substance, chemical substance inside will not spill. In this respect, we are very confident in our quality and our product. This product has a 5-year systemic warranty. There is no problem of any malfunction easily. We are manufacturing it completely in our own factory. Let me blow on the pen. As you can see, there is no sticking. We had already stopped it with great difficulty. In this way, the design and visuality are completely ours. While normal elevators are 2,100, it is a better product than standard and above standards. We also make spacious 2,400 sizes. These are unbreakable stainless chrome mirror options. It is a great elevator cabin with its handrail. These are our villa elevators, 2-story, 3-story. Our own elevators that can be seen completely transparent from inside or outside the building. Our location is in Istanbul, Cardinal. We definitely expect you to come to our factory and showroom. We have been doing this job since 1976. We are the 2nd generation in the highest quality, fastest way, and as OVT, the pride and brand of Turkey, we are at your service. It is always with you. Production is done from the factory. We do the assembly, service, engineering, R&D ourselves, and we give a 5-year guarantee for all manufactured products as full security.